Hello and welcome back to Revolution Beauty's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the 25-day Beauty Heroes Advent Calendar. This is huge. This normally retails for £120, but we have been doing some amazing deals on this recently. So make sure you check out the website, see whether it's full price or on offer. And today we're going to go through everything that's in this. So obviously, spoiler alert, if you don't want to see what's inside the Advent Calendar, then go back and watch one of our other videos. But if you want to see what's inside this £120 Advent Calendar, just keep watching. If you are new to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up so we know to do more of these in the future, and turn that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of our future videos. Let's get straight into this big bad boy. So when you open it up, this is, oh my god, what it looks like, and some of them has double layers and triple layers of products underneath the first layer. So let's just get straight into it. So like I said, this retails for £120, and what I love about this is it has a full range of products from all of the different brands that Revolution do. So we have like Revolution Pro, XX, Normal Revolution, I Heart Revolution, and Revolution Skincare as well. So it has a bit of everything, and I also love that you can buy a lot of these products. So say if you fall in love with them, you can then repurchase them and it's part of like our permanent range. I love that. So let's just get straight into it. So at the bottom here, we have day number 1. I have already unboxed this on my own YouTube channel, so I know what's inside. And when I tell you the contents of this Advent Calendar are absolutely amazing. So the first one we have is from I Heart Revolution. This is a full-size chocolate orange palette. So this is just what it looks like, and then the inside looks like this. Oh, absolutely stunning. Perfect for this time of year as well. Nice warm tones. So that is a full-size eyeshadow palette behind day number 1. Off to a good start, as you can tell. And then for day number 2, we have something from our Skincare Revolution brand. This is their Niacinamide 10% plus 1% zinc, which is really good for blemishes and pores. It helps to soothe and calm the skin, and of course it's vegan, cruelty-free, and also fragrance-free as well. So nice full-size product again. And it says that you can apply this morning and night. I remember niacinamide, and I said this in my own video as well, niacinamide's really, really good for oily skin. So if you found that you get really, really oily, this would be a really good one for you to try. And then for day number 3, we have under I Heart Revolution product. This is their Vanilla Bar Bath Fizzer, and this is just what it looks like. I absolutely love Revolution's bath bombs. If you watch my own YouTube channel, you know I loved the Revolution and Friends one. So I'm really, really excited to try that because I've never tried the I Heart Revolution one. So can't wait to give that a go. Next up for day number 4, just looks like this. We have one of the Heartbreakers palettes from I Heart Revolution. This one is the Flourish palette, and this is just what it looks like. And then for day number 5, which is the same size as day 4, I can't remember what was in this either, so this is like a little surprise for me. Ooh, so we have a highlighter from the main Revolution brand. This is in Raise the Bar. This is beautiful. This is a very Lucy shade highlighter. I'm all about this. I'm all about this. So behind day number 6, we have a product from XX Revolution. This is their X Appeal Repairing Lip Mask, and again, full-size one as well. I love obviously that it has a combination of different brands in it, because I feel like it's just a way of you being able to try a little bit from every brand. So that is day number 6. And then for day 7, we have, ooh, a bigger one. This is what day 7 looks like. And this is the I Heart Revolution Bronzing Heart Hot Summer of Love Triple Baked Bronzer. I'll open this up and show you what it looks like. So the packaging looks like this, and then this is what the bronzer looks like. So you can use this as a bronzer, but I would also use this as a highlighter, especially this shade up here. Beautiful. Obviously you can use it for an eyeshadow as well. But yeah, that is in day number 7. Day number 8 is the same size. This one's very, very heavy. Oh, I remember this one. So this has the Skincare Revolution brand. This is their Gold Hydrogel Eye Masks. So these are hydrating eye masks. They are, again, obviously vegan, cruelty-free, and fragrance-free. They have like a little posh clip a little bit at the top, so you can get them out with your little clippers. And then this is just what the eye masks look like. These are bougie. And if I remember rightly from when I looked these up before, I'm sure these retail for £10 or £15, which is unbelievable to get in an advent calendar. very, very impressed. Very, very impressed. That is behind day number 9. I quite like that you get this quite early on in the advent calendar as well, because obviously you can use it on the build up to Christmas if you've got any Christmas parties and stuff. So yeah, you get 60 different pads inside there. So day number 9, we have a little one. Ooh, this is the Revolution Pro New Neutral Stiletto Lipstick. This colour is beautiful. So again, obviously full size. This is just what the packaging looks like. It is literally perfect for Christmas time as well. Beautiful. Beautiful. If you watch my channel as well, you know I absolutely love lipsticks. Like, lipsticks are my weakness. Lipsticks, lip liners. So I'm very, very happy to get that behind day number 9. So day number 10 is a similar size, but it definitely has something different in, because I remember from last time. So this is their Shimmer Bomb. I love again that this is a clear one. This is in the shade Light Beam. It means you can literally put it on by itself if you're just a gloss kind of gal, or you can put it on top of any other lipstick or liquid lipstick that you want to wear on lip liner. So yeah, I love that it's clear, because it just means that it's going to go with everything, and it's super, super, super sparkly as well. Don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can definitely see it there. Beautiful. So that is day number 10. And then day number 11, again, is a similar size box. Let's see what's in this one. Ooh, this is very, very nice. This is the Revolution Pro Blush and Lift Liquid Blush. This one's in the shade Peaches. This is what the packaging looks like. This is beautiful. So obviously you can use this both as like a lipstick or as a cream blusher. The colour is stunning and so unique. I'm so excited to try this. I want to get this in like every single colour that they have. This is beautiful. And then we have day number 12, which is from Revolution Skincare. This is their White Jade. I'm not even going to try and pronounce this because I cannot say things to save my life, but this is what it looks like. And this is meant to be really good for, it says on the back, for after cleansing, put a few like drops of facial oil or serum or eye cream onto your face, and then you can like gently stroke it in like an outward motion. So yeah, that is meant to be, I've seen loads of TikToks where people like do it and then they've got like a really snatched jaw or like cheekbone and stuff as well. So this fascinates me. Very interesting to try that as well. So that is door number 12. Very, very happy. Then we have door 13, which is huge. So let's have a look to see what's inside here. So this is the I Heart Revolution Tasty Cherry Smoothing Cherry Boob Mask. So they also do a bum one of these, so I'm really excited because I've never tried this. Obviously it's biodegradable as well, but yeah, this is just what this one looks like, because you have to look after every part of you, you know? And then we have this huge one for day 14, and this is a little headband. There's a nice little white headband for you when you're putting your serums on, when you're doing your makeup and you just want your hair out of the way. So that is a nice one behind day 14. And then we have day 15, which is another full-size product from the skincare range. This is the hyaluronic acid 2% for skin hydration. It says it encourages soft and supple skin. Again, obviously it's vegan, cruelty-free and fragrance-free. It says to apply on the morning and on a night. If you struggle with dehydrated or dry skin, hyaluronic acid is going to be literally your saviour. Saviour? So yeah, I'm really happy to have that behind day 15, because I definitely have dehydrated skin, 100%. And then for day 16, which is hid behind this one, the little one. In this one we have the lip liner to match with the stiletto lipstick, which I'm so happy about. I love these lip liners, they are so creamy. So I'm really happy that in this advent calendar we get the lip liner to match the lipstick, because if you know me, I love a good lip combination and that just warms my heart. It really does. It's the small things sometimes. And then for day 17 we have another one of these big ones, and this one is a little set of microfiber face cloths. So you get 3 in here for you to use when you're cleansing your face. Yeah, that is what is behind day number 17. And then when you take day number 17 out, there's like loads of different boxes behind that too. So we have day 18, which is well and truly packed in here. And this is a full-size blush palette, and I would use some of these shades as like kind of like blush toppers or even highlighter for this one, to be fair, because it's quite like a lighter one. But we have a full-size blush palette, and that is behind day 18. And then day 19 we have a similar size box. Let's see what is in here. Ooh, so we have a eyeshadow palette. This is the Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose eyeshadow palette. And this is just what it looks like. This gold is beautiful. Beautiful. So that was behind day 19. And if you watch my YouTube channel, you know I always get most excited for day 20. And that's because it's my happy birthday. So this is day 20. I already know what's behind this door. Oh, it's absolutely amazing. Like, I would be buzzing to get this on my birthday. This is a full-size XX Revolution Cloud Complexion Primer. This is absolutely amazing to get in an advent calendar, and it smells so good. This is just what it looks like. So it's literally like a cloud kind of texture to it. It is so unique, and it smells, oh, I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. And then we have day 21, which is the same size, but this one has a powder sponge inside. I've actually just used this earlier on to put my light banana powder on. So this is the Revolution Ultimate Powder Sponge. This is obviously, again, vegan, cruelty free, but obviously this is like it's like a really unique texture, so it's really, really good. I'll show you mine because I've literally just used it to put my powder on. So please excuse the banana powder that's on it, but it's a very unique, I want to say like a microfiber kind of feel to it. So it's absolutely amazing for putting on powder. But yeah, mine's obviously got I'll show you it, the banana light powder on it from Revolution. So yeah, would really, really recommend it, especially for setting underneath the eyes or even the rest of the face. So really, really happy to get that. Day 21. And then day 22 we have an absolute classic. This is the Revolution Renaissance Flick Intense Black Felt Eyeliner. I absolutely love this. You all know I love a felt tip on an eyeliner, so this is just perfection to me. So that is behind day 22. And then day 23 is a huge one. And this one has a huge bag inside it. And it's just a gold bag. Obviously you can put bits and bobs in, you can put your makeup in if you're going on a night out and you want to put your makeup in a little bag. And then the last 2 days we have obviously at day 24 and 25. So behind day 24 we have the XX Revolution Exact Eyeliner Gel Eyeliner Pen, and this one is in the shade Blazer, which is this kind of metallic blue colour up here. And then last but not least, we have day 25, which is the same size box. And in here we have the Revolution Pro Extreme Lash Volumizing Mascara. And that is what is behind day number 25. I would love to know, what do you think of this advent calendar? What day is your favourite? What Revolution advent calendar have you picked up this year? Please let us know in the comments, and I look forward to seeing your answers. Don't forget to hit subscribe, turn that notification bell on, because we will be back very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in a new video. Bye!